all the times that you rain on my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name.
Hello and God bless everyone. By the way, I am Maravec Beltran Padillo, a third-year student of North Central Mindanao College, Maranding Lala, Lanao del Norte, taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Education. I made this video to help implement knowledge about Microsoft Word 2013 and also to fulfill the requirements given by instructor in educational technology, Miss Kizzy Pulgir. This video contains on how to create a new document using the MS Word 2013. To formally start, first I define what is Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word or the MS Word is a group of word processing program used to create, format, save and print letters, reports, newsletters, manuscript, sign, certificates, and other documents. How create your first Word 2013 document? So when you first open the Word 2013, this is what you see. You can open an existing file here or choose a template and create a new document. Since we're just starting out, let's skip simple and open the blank document. Your new document open down here, this part. Then this area at the top is called the ribbon. As you work on your document, you can use the tool in the ribbon to modify your text or add pictures or change the margin. Things like that. Word has a lot of useful tools and features, but you don't need to know all of this to create a document. In fact, you can just start typing. And press enter to start a new paragraph, like this. Then, otherwise, keep typing and move to the next line automatically. That. Press backspace to remove the character to the left. So this one. Then press. So as you get more comfortable with Word, so you find yourself wanting to do more. For example, you can take advantage of Word spell checker. Word points out potential spelling error by underlining the text in red, like this. Is an error. You can retype the word if you want, or better yet, right-click the word, like that, and get the list of suggested correct spellings. Select one or tell the word to ignore the spellings. Word also checks your grammar and word usage with a blue underline, like this. As your document grows and begins to take shape, there will be times that you want to move some things around. So, and can you do that by cutting and the pasting? So, and pasting. So watch while I switch these two paragraphs around. First, I select the second paragraph. This one. And cut it. Cut. Then, click the beginning of the first paragraph. It's the beginning. Then, click paste. This one. So, first, let's go back and take a closer look at that. First, you select what you want to move. And click and hold the left mouse. So you want to click it and hold the left mouse like this at the beginning. And drag it and drag it to the end. The area you select turns to black. Yes. If you want to get rid of the selection, just click someplace. So, click someplace. Like that. So, now we want to go faster. You can make a selection without dragging the mouse. Just double click the select a word. Like that. Then, click 3 times. You select the whole paragraph. If you want to select a whole paragraph, you must click 3 times. So, like this. Oh, this one. Then, 3 times. You'll see that there is always more than one way to do things in a word. So, next we need to cut the text. But you can do that by pressing delete, or because that will permanently remove the text. We need to use the cut and paste command up here in the home tab. So this word at the top are called the tab. So this is the tab. The home, the insert design, the page layout, the reference, the mailing, the review, and the view. So when you click one, you display the command option on the tab. So we can click. The cut and the paste command are on the home tab. When you click cut, Word removes the text placed in the computer memory in a location. It is called the clipboard. Then, Word also rearranges the document so you don't see where the text was cut. Word will do this anytime something is added or removed. So next, we select where we want to remove the paragraph. Then come back to the ribbon and select paste. Okay. Like that. And Word insert the text from the clipboard. Notice that you can click and copy, can cut and copy instead of you can copy instead of cut if you want to remove the original text. So cutting and pasting is one way to remove text. But let's go back and I'll show you a faster way using the mouse. Instead of using the clipboard buttons, you can just click the selected text, this one, like that. and hold the left mouse button. As you drag it into the new location, so now you can have information. Drag it, yes, this one. Then put that, yes, that one. Information you need to create a basic document. So now you have all the information to create and basic documents or the roof job. Thank you for watching, and I hope it will give you additional information on how to create using the MS Word 2013. And that would be all. Thank you and God bless.